Hello everyone, how are you? Today is Arlynn's challenge for a cozy corner. So here's mine. This corner is pretty much what you see is normally here. This sign that says nest and my plate rack and this birdhouse light and high chair, but it's what I put into it that is different and for this challenge. In the challenge, Arlynn said she wanted a bow, something floral, and a picture, a plaque, or something of that nature. So let me start out by telling you about the high chair. My dad got this for me when I was pregnant with my youngest son. So my youngest son and my youngest daughter sat in this chair when they were babies, and I will keep this chair forever. You can't see too much of it, but here it is. And I haven't done anything to it. I haven't painted it, anything. I think I just want it to remain the way it was when they were in it. On the other hand, this light that is a birdhouse, I want to paint this. So that's going to be a work in progress. And I might either cover the shade or just buy a new one. Okay, and then over here, and I'm sure this looks familiar to a lot of people that shop at the Dollar Tree. This is the oversized butterflies, which I think are really, really pretty. And then down here, these sparklers, to me they look like sparklers. And those are from Hobby Lobby. And they're inside of a, I think it's supposed to be a milk tin. And I just painted that. And then down here, Rosie had to have a patriotic bow, and that's from the Dollar Tree. She's always getting into the act somewhere. And then over here are the florals, and those are from Walmart and the Dollar Tree. And then the bow, I just tied a tulle bow and put a little bit of the red, white, and blue from the Dollar Tree as well, the burlap. And these sparklers, well, not sparklers, you know what I mean, whatever these are. The picks, these are from Hobby Lobby. And then these Uncle Sam hats, these were from the Dollar Tree, and there were 6 in those, and they're red, white, and blue. They're really cute. And you'll see them in other areas of my house when I do my home tour. And then over here is another one of the butterflies. And down here for the picture, I have a picture of my grandson. As you guys know, if you follow me, my grandson, London, was born on the 4th of July. So here he is getting ready to go home. And down here, the plaque, what I did is I went online and I just printed out this. And it's the, from the song Proud to be an American, which I absolutely love. And I have that on a, and then I have this on a chalkboard that I got from, I think I got this from Target Dollar Spot. So I just taped that on there. So this is what my cozy corner looks like. I'll bring you back a little bit so you can see. There it is. So I was really pleased at the way it turned out. Arlynn, this was so much fun. I love doing these challenges and these collaborations and whatever else we get to do. It brings a lot of people together. People get to cultivate new friendships. I think it's a wonderful thing. Plus it shows off the creativity of everyone and what their houses look like, which I just love, love, love. So the next time we're together, I believe, is going to be for the 4th of July home tour collaboration. So we'll be getting together again in a couple days. So again, Arlynn, thank you so much. I love you. I love you all. You're very, very important to me, every one of you. So until next time, remember the world's a better place because you're in it. Don't ever, ever forget that. Talk to you soon, guys. Bye.